Once again, Raising Jazz is started. We have Calibato Kid break quickly restart. Senorita Alessi Rugzaria side Yellowstone. Perfect moment Bloomingdale while Windy Wind is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn we have Calibato Kid by a length. And on the outside Senorita Alessi. And on the inside comes Yellowstone. Windy Wind in the middle portion. Perfect moment running 6 days. Is Rug, while Bloomingdale is racing in less by about 4 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, we have Calibato Kid by about 2 lengths, and in second is Yellowstone. Perfect moment in the middle, moving up on the outside, Senorita Alessi. Windy Wind comes next, Rug, while Bloomingdale is still racing in less than a 4 turn. We have Calibato Kid by a length and a half, Yellowstone in second. Perfect moment is racing into Senorita Alessi. Windy Wind Bloomingdale while Rogue now racing in list. And as they swing for home, we have Calibato Kid by out ahead, moving up Yellowstone down on the inside. Last 100 meters, it's now Yellowstone takes command. Calibato Kid is on the outside second. And finally, it's Yellowstone. Calibato Kid, Senorita Alessi, perfect moment, and Bloomingdale for your pentapecta.
Sabi nga ni isang kaibigan natin, Tre, tingnan mo yung jump ball goose sa ibabaw,